Hey Jeep, welcome to Wash King 2000. So welcome to Wash King 2008. So welcome to Wash King 2000 anyway. So it's home of the Blomberg WNF9448 and 29kg 300 been spent up A-class Green Plus washing machine, and the Blomberg TKF A550 8kg A-class Green Plus TKF A4 5H50 anyway. But yeah. So yeah, we just got something new today. So we're just washing a new dog bedding today. So yeah, we're just washing new dog covers there. We're just washing over some new dog bedding today because we're washing some dog bedding in the Blomberg WNF9448 and 20 9kg 300 speed washing machine anyway. But yeah. So detergent I'm using going to be tonight is going to be the Bold 2-in-1 touch with the oil freshness, lavender and chamomile anyway. So I'm using the Bold 2-in-1 tonight. So yeah, so anyway, we're using the Bold 2-in-1 tonight anyway, so we're using the Bold 2-in-1 anyway. And also we're going to be using tonight is Wiz antibacterial laundry cleanser we're using as well. We're using the Wiz antibacterial laundry cleanser we're using as well anyway, so we're using the Wiz antibacterial laundry cleanser anyway. And also we're going to be using is an all spring awakening anyway, we're using the all spring awakening anyway, so we're using the all spring awakening anyway, yep. So yeah, we were just washing something new today. We were washing something new today anyway. So because there's a new dog bedding, because which it was obviously from home. I think which was obviously got it from Pets at Home or something like that. Anyway, I think we got it from the Pets at Home charity anyway. So yeah, so I'm going to put the Bold 2-in-1 in first. Anyway, so I'm going to put the Bold 2-in-1 in first anyway. Well, anyway, so I'm going to put the Bold 2-in-1 in anyway, but we're going to need a lot of scooping now. So yeah, we're just going to need a lot of scooping that anyway, because the dog bed finish smells dirty anyway, because so that's when we need a lot of scoop anyway. And we're going to need 1 cap of softener. We're going to need 1 cap of the Norway as well. We're going to need 1 cap of softener as well. So 1 cap of softener anyway. So 1 cap of softener in anyway. So we're going to need 1 cap of that anyway. Just 1 cap full of softener anyway. So 1 cap of that anyway. And then for antibacterial laundry cleanser, we put 2 capsules of that as well anyway. So yeah, remember we put 2 capsules of. When it's about laundry cleanser, remember we'd put 2 capsules of that anyway. Well, that anyway, so yeah, just 2 capsules we always need, but for this antibacterial laundry cleanser anyway, so we're just going to put 2 capsules of that anyway. So yeah. Oh yeah, go remember we have to be careful of the drawer though, because I just don't want the machine to overfed to the lime scale anyway, so I just don't want to get this machine to overfed to the lime scale anyway, because we don't want this machine to fed to the lime scale anyway. So close it in like that anyway, so you close it in like that anyway, but you have to close it carefully because there's much in there though, because there's much softener bit in there though. So the program we're going to have it on is fast reload 40, we're going to have it on 40, we're just going to have it on fast reload 40 anyway. That's what we always do for dog bedding, because we always do it on fast reload 40 anyway, so we always do it on fast reload 40 anyway. And also we've got loads of dark layers in the Blomberg TKF AE20, which that's going to go on a 50-minute dry, which that's going to go on 50-minute dry anyway. So we're going to have it on time program for the dry anyway, so it's going to be, because it's going on 50 minutes anyway. So yeah, so it's going to take about 38 minutes anyway if I can start on the machine tab anyway. So 3, 2, 1. that struggling tumble that is. Just gotta say it's half load by the way, but it's half load. So yeah, just gotta say it's half load of dog bed anyway, because it's half load anyway. Just gotta say it's half load anyway. So yeah, just gotta say because it's half load dog bed anyway, because it's half load anyway. It's half load by the way, but it's half load by the way, half load. So anyway, so catch our main wash, catch our main wash, catch our main wash.